Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cool colorful 3D cube effect on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here which is just colors. You can find it in YouTube, TikTok. There's just a lot of these videos. I'm also going to speed it up a little bit, but this one's optional. Go to video, go to mask and choose rectangle and select reverse and create this frame shape like so. And I'm just going to feather it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to export that. So you do have to export this first. And once it's done, you're going to import it, but you're gonna need it for later, so don't focus on that first. You need 2 pictures now, so you're just going to get 2 pictures and you're just going to add it to your timeline, and I'm just going to make the duration just a little bit longer. Oops. So each is around 1 second-ish. Then I'm just going to select both, right click, and I'm just going to, actually I have to do one by one. So select it, go to animation and select train 4 and add it to all of the pictures. You also have to scale this, by the way, so it fits the entire screen. I forgot to tell you guys about that. And this one too. And also make sure your format is 1 by 1. Okay, now once you're done with that, you're going to select both, right click and then create compound clip. Then go to animation and you're going to choose cube 4. So you need to find, oh, it's here. And then I'm just going to move this up here so I can add in a background. Go to library and I'm just going to add this background. You don't have to choose this exact background, but I'm just going to choose this one. Now once you're done with that, you're going to get that frame video, add it to the timeline, and add it on top of the video up here. Just going to split it and then make sure this is layer 2. Great. Go to blend mode and choose brighten or screen. Now you are going to go to animation and you're going to add in the cube animation again to this one. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!